Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Science, and in this video we will study the associative law in Boolean algebra. There are two kinds of associative law. The first one is a plus bracket b plus c is equal to a plus b bracket close plus c. This one is the OR associative law, while the next one is a into b dot c is equal to a dot b into c, and this is called as the AND associative law. We will see the statement and proof of both of this law one by one. So the first is associative law of addition. As you can see, the statement for this law is ORing more than two variables. ORing means summing. ORing more than two variables, that is mathematical addition operation performed on variables, will return the same value irrespective of grouping of variables in the equation. This means that only the grouping order will change while the value will remain same. So as you can see, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b bracket close plus c. Here the grouping was b plus c and here it is a plus b. So the values are same, only the grouping of variables is different. If I have to prove this law, then take three variables, that is a, b and c. Put a as 0, b to be equal to 1 and c to be equal to 0. Then according to associative law of addition, we have this statement, that is a plus b plus c to be equal to a plus b bracket close plus c. And we need to prove that both these sides are equal. Take a as 0 plus b as 1, c as 0. Similarly here also a as 0, b as 1 plus c as 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1, and here 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0, so I am getting 1 to be equal to 1. Thus the law is verified. So I can say that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, and this can be also written as a plus b plus c. So this is what the associative law of addition is. In the next law we will see the associative law of multiplication. So the statement for this law is ANDing more than two variables, that is taking product of two variables, mathematical multiplication operation performed on variables will return the same value. Again we will get the same value irrespective of grouping of variables in an equation. Only the grouping order will change, but the values are going to remain same. So for this one, the expression is a into bracket b into c is equal to a into b bracket close into c, and we need to prove this expression. So again we will take the values of all the three terms. Take a to be 0, the next term b to be equal to 1 and c again 0. Put the values in the expression. So 0 into 1 into 0 is equal to 0 into 1, and here also 0. So 0 into 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, into 0, so 0 is equal to 0. Thus associative law is verified. In this way we have studied the associative law in Boolean algebra. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much for watching till the end.